Hello animators from around the world, this is your call. Keyframe Animation School is finally opening its doors in English. So, if you want a mentor that'll get you passed through kind of good animations into top level ones, then hop on in and watch this video. Hi, I'm Alex Puente. I am the founder and mentor at Keyframe Animation School. And for the past 11 years, we've mentored Spanish-speaking students into studio-ready animators. Our grads have gone to the best studios around the world, such as Disney Animation, Sony Imageworks, Digital Domain, Double Negative, Bardell, Cartoon Network, just to name a few. And we're not new to English mentoring. We've already mentored animators at international film studios and top video game companies. Today, we're making this mentorship available in English for everyone worldwide. Be honest, have you bounced from tutorial to tutorial, learned tricks, and still felt your shots don't breathe? That's normal. Tutorials tell you what to do. Pros teach you why, how, and what for, so your choices show intent. At Keyframe, you won't just finish exercises. You'll understand movement, you'll direct emotion, you'll design timing on purpose, and you'll build a reel that says, this animator can carry a shot. What makes us different is the mentor advantage. Why? Because we provide you with frame-accurate notes, draw-overs, and actionable fixes, as if you were in a studio and we were doing daily reviews. Our trademark why, how, and what for method will help you dissect your shot so you grasp the logic behind every pose, arc, and transition. What you'll learn, obviously, will be outcomes that you can feel, tangible results. For example, regarding body mechanics, you'll have intent, believable weight, spacing that sinks, and timing that sells impact. Everything related to acting and performance, you'll have everything from micro-expressions, readable posing, and subtext so your character thinks on screen. Facial and dialogue, lip sync that fits the performance, meaning no talking heads, if you know what I mean. So how does Keyframe Animation School work? Well, it's simple and global. Live mentorship sessions in English across global time zones. You'll have weekly critiques plus on-demand question and answers. Community campus, you'll post whips, exchange notes, learn from peers at different levels, as well as career focus. We'll have real reviews and honest, specific guidance for the roles you want. May that be film, TV, games, or freelance. So who is this for and who it isn't? It is perfect for artists who are done guessing and ready for targeted, professional feedback. It is not for anyone looking for a magic shortcut, a magic script, or a magical tutorial. We'll push you kindly, relentlessly, because that's how you grow. So at the end of the day, what we want is proof. So we want results over hype. Our proudest stat, students landing real gigs before finishing their final module. That happens when your shots prove you can carry story, emotion, and weight. Tutorials don't get you there. Mentorship does. You've done it all alone. Now do it right. If you want your animation to feel alive, if you want feedback that makes you feel dangerously better, come to Keyframe Animation School. We've done it for a decade in Spanish, and we're ready to do it with you in English, no matter where you are.